Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll do the car underbody rust protection coating. First things first, you need to have a look at the undercarriage of your rusty bucket. Now here is what the process exactly looks like. Firstly, you localize the extent of rust, you evaluate it to make sure whether welding is required or not. Hopefully not. Secondly, you wire brush and sand off the most severe scaling rust. Leaving some minor bit of rust is not critical. As you know, rust is an electrochemical reaction. So, if you degrease and coat it thoroughly, no water and salt will get through to it. This will leave no chance to rust. Thirdly, wash the underbody with soapy water and let it dry. Fourth step, degrease with alcohol. Next step, apply rust converting primer and let it dry overnight. Final step, apply your undercarriage coating of choice. It is of primary importance to wear face and respiratory protection during all these works. Now wire brush off and sand the scaling rust. Most importantly, check and sand the body seam regions. Rust mostly starts attacking here. Now sand for around 12 hours in the same spot till you see a hole. As I like to say, no metal, no rust. I am just messing with you.
Voy a la playa, ya subió la marea. Había subido la marea y encontré una paella. Y la encontré.
Clean the underbody with soapy water and let it dry. Clean off with alcohol and repeat the step. Now shake up the epoxy-based rust converter, spray it on thick. No need to be Da Vinci here, it's no Mona Lisa. Now the good thing is, you'll notice the effect of rust converter as any remaining rust will turn dark blue after the primer cures. Take your time here and cover as much of the underbody as possible. This pre-treatment will effectively prevent rust for years to come. Now as you see, I've prepared the work area for the final step. We'll be using this thick solid bitumen-based underbody protection coating. When handling any chemical substance, be aware of potential risks and hazards.
The meaning of life.
Final step. Applying the coating. Apply it thick, extra thick on and around the body seams. Let's have a look. Looking nice and uniform. You will notice I didn't apply the coating on control arms and sway bars. I did this on purpose. They are 27 years old, so I figured out replacing them may be worth another video. Very important, do not apply this coating on exhaust and its heat shields. If you liked the clip, remember to give it a thumbs up and have a look at my other videos.